Okay, Robert back here. Got an unboxing to do and a coffee challenge. One of my subscribers contacted me recently and asked if they could send me some coffee for a coffee challenge video. Louisiana, if I'm not mistaken. This is Louisiana coffee. And I said, sure. So let's open this up and see what this is all about. Family-owned community coffee. American Classic Medium Roast. Smooth roast with a well-rounded flavor. Alright. First things first, let's open this up and get a smell. Yeah, it does smell good. Alright, let's see if we can get set up for coffee challenge. Okay, I guess by now you all are probably wondering who the coffee was from. I just said it's from a subscriber. It's from the Balloon Man, Eddie Gordon. I will put a link to his description, to his channel in the description box. Canteen I recently picked up at Goodwill. It's an aluminum canteen. F and R on the bottom. I don't have a clue what that stands for. But it's got like a thin rubber coating on it. I kind of like the canteen. Alright, I've got this canteen cup stove set up for a wood burner. So it's going to be pretty high up off the table to using Esbit or trioxazine. But put that in there. I think that'll do the trick right there. Got this old packet of trioxazine. This stuff don't last a whole lot of time. It goes bad. This is already starting to disintegrate. Let's see if it'll still burn. If it won't burn, we'll try to come up with something else. Got this fire starter from Kentucky Prepper 5. Little slice in it. So we peel that open just a little bit, fluff it up some. See what that'll do. Some old open ale. I think that's number 8. It was gifted to me by Carolina Chris several years ago. Nathan 4071 ferro rod, the handle turned by plain old Chuck. Didn't get the fire, but burnt my finger. Here we go. Let's see what happens. see if that old trioxazine still burn. So she's going. You see the blue flame down in there. She's there we go. Go ahead and use that before it totally disintegrated. Put our lid on there. Only used about half of that fire starter. Looks like that flame's dying down a little bit. So we'll get the rest of that fire starter in there. Starting to steam a little bit. Got one more Esbit tablet we can use if we have to, but I'm hoping with the rest of that fire starter in there that it will get it just warm enough. Yeah, I think that's gonna be right. Get the bubbles on the bottom now. She's steaming. I think by the time that rest of that fire starter burns out, that ought to be plenty warm enough for my coffee. Starting a light boil, not really a boil, but it's just a simmer. So that's where I want my coffee right there. That's perfect. That's smooth. I like that. I do. It's the smoothest coffee I've had in a while. Yeah, I used my canteen cup and stove today. I didn't serve, but I do respect and honor anybody that has served and is serving. I know it's not Memorial Day or Veterans Day, but and you guys should be honored every day, not just once or twice a year. Okay, this cup's for you, Eddie. Balloon Man Eddie Gordon. Okay, y'all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe. God bless.